from here. Hi, everybody. This is the walkthrough video for Tuesday. It's April 22nd in Try 3 Week 9. Yellow bell work is done, but we're not. Today, we are making the Unit 6B study folder. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about that. And then with 15 minutes left to go in class, we're going to pause and do the FRQ practice of the day. Why are we doing FRQ practice of the day? Because now you know enough to be able to answer a full FRQ with all the little pieces from across the different units. Excited for you. All right, if you take a look at the Canvas page for today, I'll upload it. You're going to see in Test Wrap Up Super Week, you'll see the link to our curriculum maps from trimester 3. You're going to see those colorful, what do you call them, session reviews. Here's where the assignment and answers are for each of them. The questions are here. Here are the other official College Board YouTube videos, if that's how you would like to roll. So I made you a page where you can see the worksheet and then the video, even though you don't always have access to YouTube directly at school. Sorry, I'm forgetting to smile because I am so invested in you doing Desperate. And then remember the giant APBio Penguins review packet? I am printing them for Try 2 and Try 3. At the end of Try 2, you did them for Units 1, 2, and 3. The part that I print has multiple choice questions on it, but not the answers. If you go through and find the digital copy, you'll see multiple choice and FRQ questions and answers for both of them, especially beginning in Unit 2. You'll see some FRQs there. We'll do a smattering of recent ones, but some of the older ones are in here and they're quite good. So if you were here yesterday, you saw all this stuff. You can watch my video for the highlight reel. Our 6B study folders, I gave you the curriculum map, and there's an assignment instruction now. I think I decided arbitrarily they were going to be due in 2 days to help make sure that people knew enough time to have it marked as 0 missing. So you can do it by the grading deadline, which is May 2nd at 2:40. And then the FRQ practice of the day looks like this. I'm going to scroll all the way down for us. Okay. So go ahead and pause well, hang on a second. Hang on. Go ahead and pause the video and read that text up at the top. You might have to zoom in a little bit or look at the linked version. And then you can look at those. And then here are the things that you should be able to do. Before we began having people practice, we talked about how variation means the spread of the data, right? From the smallest bird beak to the biggest bird beak in the same species, from the shortest tusk to the longest tusk in a species of elephant. And so variation is, you should look at my hands here, the spread of the data. And that's going to help you answer these questions. Now, to find the answers, this is the 2024 FRQs. So you just need to Google 2020 APBio 2024 FRQ answers, and you'll find a PDF that has answers to number 6. We went over them in class, but you can go over them. No need to submit these. We're just doing workout practices, but you might find them really helpful. So I left it here for you. All right, that's it for me. I hope you're doing well out there. Take care. See you soon.